Good morning, all my lovely students of grade 5. Welcome in my social studies classes. I am O. Jashwini, your teacher of social studies. And today also we will continue with block 4, beginning of a settled life. So, students, our today's topic is Learning Plan 3, Invention of the Wheel. And this invention was one of the most important invention that changed our lives. Our today's aim is describe how the wheel changed the lives of early humans. And your resources are S3, Exceed Content Book, Notebook, Pencil, Eraser, etc. If you don't have these resources, pause the video, go collect all your resources, then come back and start your video. We have some keywords for today's topic. Those are wheel, travel, pottery. And now, picture. What does it mean? Okay, let's have a look. Some early women are there and they are doing conversation about a thing, looking a circle object. Look what I have invented. One early man was saying. Rest of all, what use is it? And we can see some pictures above these peoples with this round object. So, today we will discuss about this round object. But before that, we will do revision of our previous learning plans. First, day 1, beginning of forming. Remember, the story was about a girl, Rolly, and her family. The story tells us that earlier Rolly's family was hunter and gatherer. They went from place to place in search of food and shelter. One day, they found that new plants could grow from seeds in the soil. It means early humans spread seeds on the land to grow different crops like wheat, barley, etc., and eat them for food. They also built huts so that they cannot move place to place in search of food and shelter. They kept and tamed animals like cattle, sheep, goat for food and carrying loads. Now, learning plan 2, day 2. And what was the topic? Yes, the topic was changes in tools. What we learn in this plan? With the beginning of agriculture, early humans started making better tools. Means the tools were made in previous stone ages that were not sharp, that were rough and heavy in weight. These tools were sturdier and helped them with farming, building huts, and digging the soil. They used some of these tools for grinding grains and also stone axes to clear the forest. And later, they even began to make tools using wooden sticks and bones of animals. Now, we will start our today's topic. So, first, you have to answer my questions. How do you come to school? Okay, and your answer may vary, like by a school bus, by a scooter, by auto rickshaw, with your bicycle, in your father's bike, or in your parents' car. It means we use different vehicles to come to school like car, bus, scooter, auto rickshaw, etc. It means if you are coming with these vehicles, can you tell what is common in all these vehicles? You can see this picture and notice what is the thing that is highlighted in all the vehicles. Yes, very good. Wheels. We can see all these vehicles use wheels to run. Either they are running on the road, running on railway track, or flying in the sky. Wheels are common in all the vehicles. So, will you tell me, is there any other ways in which the wheel is used? Okay, you take time for thinking. So, take your time, write your answer in your rough notebook, or you can give the person around you, and later you can type in the comment box. So, now do one thing, open your workbook, learning plan 3, and see the pictures. There are 3 pictures, B and C. In the first picture, it is about, yes, it is used for making clothes. The second is using for making pottery, and third in bicycle. And all these pictures are about the wheel, means we can see the different uses of wheels. Our today's topic is depended on wheel. Yes, a potter is making a pot. And did you know? It is believed that about 20,000 years ago, early humans began making pottery in China to store food. Let's have a look in your next question. How are the wheels being used in the pictures? In the first picture, second picture, and in the third picture. Yes, the wheel is being used to make clothes, to make clay pots, and to ride a bicycle. How do you think the early humans used the wheel? Okay, so early humans used the wheel only for making pots and pulling carts. In starting, Here, making pot on the potter's wheel and pulling cart. So, do you think they would have used a bicycle? I don't think so. Yes, of course, no. No, they would not have used a bicycle. So, how they use a wheel? Would they have used the wheel to make cotton clothes? Yes, this is wheel for making cotton clothes. What do you think? Did they use? At that time, they might have used the wheel to make cotton clothes. Actually, the wheel is being used to make cotton clothes. Rest of uses? Okay, so all the uses of wheel we will understand with this word wheel. Use of wheel by the early humans to carry heavy loads, to pull their carts over long distances, to make pots using the potter's wheel, to travel long distance easily. Okay, I hope it is clear to all the use of wheels. So, can you tell me now, would they have used it to make pots on a potter's wheel? Yes, they might have made the potter's wheel that helped them to make clay pots. Even today, we can see some potters. They are making pots on potter's wheel. This is an image of an early human, how they were making pots. And this is the current picture, or we can say developed day by day. Okay, this water scenery means it's time to our bonus question, and this stone computer boy is here. So, what he typed for your today's bonus question? And today's bonus question is, which of the following animals were used by early humans to travel from one place to another? Do one thing, write this question in your rough notebook. So, when you will answer this question while using Forms app, you can choose correct answer. Now it is time to do our general discussion. How do you think early humans discovered the wheel? Have you any guess? We are study about the uses of wheel, but have you any idea how they discovered wheel? It is believed that they may have got the idea for the invention from seeing round stones rolling down hills. मतलब उन्होंने देखा होगा कि कोई एक बिग स्टोन रोल होता हुआ, मतलब घूमता घूमता ऊपर से नीचे गिरता चला आ रहा है, इससे उनको आइडिया मिल सकता है व्हील बनाने का. या they might have seen a log of wood rolling at a speed and got an idea of wheel. Look here. It is the image of rolling down a stone. You can see A big stone is also rolling down or rolling in flat surface. Then can see a wooden log. This is the image can help us how early humans made wheels by cutting down stones and giving shape. Then in fifth picture you can see that after making one wheel, they make another wheels and joined with wooden logs. Here we can see how they are jointing two wheels through a stick or through a wooden log. Before the wheel was invented, the early humans had to walk from place to place. They had to constantly search for animals to hunt and caves or other shelters to rest. Once they invented the wheel, it could be used to pull carts. Then, how did the wheel help the early humans? It would be used to pull carts. They could carry heavy loads on these carts and traveling on land become easier. Here, spelling of cart is wrong, T is missing. Okay? Later, they invented the potter's wheel, which helped them to make clay pots. Here, some pictures of the uses of wheel. They could carry heavy loads on these carts. In the second picture you can see, and traveling on land become easier, can see in first picture. In third picture you can see the pot making. Here is no wheel and early humans are making pot without a wheel. In fourth picture, you can see a wooden log on stone wheels, and that is potter's wheel. In the sixth picture, you can see the development or the improvement of the wheel. First, stone, wood, then tin, then changed. Later, they invented the potter's wheel, which helped them make clay pots. They could use these pots to carry water from the river because earlier, when they were thirsty, they need to go to river to drink water. They could even use the pots for storing water and also storing grains. So, do we use the wheel in the same way as the early humans? How? We also use the wheel for traveling. All our vehicles like buses, cars, trucks, bicycles, and other transport use wheels to run. And even today, people use the potter's wheel to make pots and other pottery items. It means today still we are using the wheel in same way as early humans were using. And now it's time to our today's revision. means at a glance. Early humans discovered one of the most important thing, that is wheel. They could carry heavy loads on these carts and traveling on land become easier. Later, they invented the potter's wheel, which helped them make clay pots. And last, the wheel is also being used to make cloth and other uses. It's your application time. So, your application work is study block 4 carefully, then finish S3 in good handwriting and do PQs 6 and 7 good handwriting with correct spellings. So, for today, thank you. Have a nice day.